Extend Trend Micro Home Network Security's parental controls to any Wi-Fi or mobile network with Trend Micro Guardian. Trend Micro Home Network Security provides protection against cyber attacks for every internet-connected device in your home, including game consoles, smart TVs, and appliances. It also keeps the internet safe for your kids on any device by controlling social media and blocking inappropriate websites, setting time limits to give your kids a break from their devices, including game consoles and tablets, and notifying you when your kids come back home and reconnect to the home network. Now with the Trend Micro Guardian, you can extend internet safety to your kids' connected devices outside of your home. So how does it work? This is your home network, and these are all the devices connected to it, including your PCs, smartphones, smart home devices, and more. This is your home network security station, which protects your home network from cyber attacks, web threats, and other malicious online threats. This is the Home Network Security app installed on a parent's smartphone. It is paired to your home network security station and is the main app that manages all the devices connected to your network. To extend protection to a child's device when they leave your home network, parents can install Trend Micro Guardian on the child's device and pair it to the parent's app. This keeps the child's device protected when leaving the home network and keeps the parent updated with the child's online activities outside the home. Trend Micro Home Network Security and Trend Micro Guardian. Internet safety for your child everywhere, on any Wi-Fi or mobile network. For more information, go to the following website: